Hello everyone, it's Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to do a tree swipe today with some leftover paints. I did one. Let me get it. And I sold it. So I'm going to do a smaller one. This one is a 14 by 14. Really turned out well. Very pretty. No silicone used. No Australian Floetrol. Got some really cool cells. So we're going to do it again. Plus I need to use these paints. So I'm using Titanium White by Amsterdam for the base. And I've thinned it out kind of like a Dutch pour consistency. It's pretty thin. Pretty runny. Just goes right back in. And all the paints are the same consistency. I will put them down in the description, but I've got Amsterdam Turquoise Blue, Artist Loft Violet. I used Ice Blue by DecoArt Dazzling Metallics. Used a DecoArt hot fluorescent pink, Sizzling pink. I did use the Folk Art Treasure Gold Aquamarine and the Platinum, and I think I used the Fire Opal. So let me unwrap my paints here and we will get started. And the black is the soft body acrylic paint by Artist Loft in black. And I just added a little more Floetrol, US Floetrol to it with some water. So yeah, these paints are good. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna flood the canvas and then kind of spread it out pretty thin. So we'll do that now. All right, now for the colors. We are going to put down this Sizzling Pink by DecoArt in the background. I just got it in these little paper cups. I'm just going to kind of squeeze it and hopefully get in the middle a little. If you're like me, can't draw a straight line for nothing, so I just kind of hope that it's straight. Now we're gonna do this violet. I'm gonna stir that in a little bit. Just a little bit. These paints have been sitting here for a few days, so. All right, got that one. And you can tell it's very thin. It's like all kind of clouding up a little bit, but. And again, this one is still a little thicker, but I did thin it down a little bit, so it should be all right. All right, that's that. That's that. We are going to do the Ice Blue next. I don't know if it's the same way that I layered them the last time. I can't remember, so I'm just gonna hope for the best. It can be a little different, right? I love this color. That's so pretty. All right. And then I'm going to use the Fire Opal. Love that color too. It's kind of like a copper color. Then I'm going to use the turquoise blue. And this is a little thicker too, it looks like. Sorry. It will be more predominant. That's okay. The Aquamarine Treasure Gold. Pretty. I love that color. I'm going to use the Platinum Treasure Gold. Yeah, some of these have thickened up a little bit. They should be okay though. I'm going to kind of want that to show up in different spots, so we'll do that. And then, like I said, the black, I just used a little more Floetrol to the paint, like more Floetrol parts to the paint part. Kind of like a cell activator with just US Floetrol, so. What a pretty big line. It's gonna sink in there now. Yep, there it goes. All right, we may have to add a little more of that, but all right, so let me get some paper towel. I'm not ready. It's okay. And then I'm just gonna wipe this on a paper towel every time I swipe it, so. Here we go. I'm gonna start in the middle, I think. I think it's pretty straight from the edge. I'm gonna use the printed side. When I did too much, which I did pretty good there. Try it again without digging so much. Last time I used plastic. The plastic that comes in the canvas. I don't think to the edge there. Don't have a whole lot of cells coming up from this. No. Oh, except for that right there. That looks kind of funny. It's weird on these because you don't get the sides covered that well, but you can always go back and pick up paint and cover the sides up. That's really cool right there. That's cool. I think that'll work. These black spaces in here. But that could work. That could work. I am going to put this piece of paper down and try to just get the sides right fast. Now you don't want to really tilt it because you'll kind of mess up what you got going on here. I've done that several times and messed the painting up, so. Okay, so now, that's pretty. It's very pretty. we are going to swap a tree. And I've got an idea. Hopefully it'll work. We'll see. I think I'm going to swap the tree with some pieces of this cardboard. It's going to cut me some pieces off of a clean piece here. Get a good edge. All right. So I have made myself a little rounded one, and then one for the trunk. So my thought is to kind of put the trunk over here and kind of bring the branches a little bit here and then a lot over here, and kind of bring the branches up, kind of like a tree of life pendant of some sort. So we'll try it. Here we go. All right. I'm going to come on this side. I just want to kind of have it right here because I want now I want to take this, kind of create the bottom of the tree a little bit. Then I want to come up a little. That. Then I'm going to take the curve of this, I think, and do some little branches. Some little curved branches. Curved branches off here. You can always go back and swipe through again. That, and then I want to come up here and do the same thing. I like that, but it's just not pronounced enough, so I'm going to let me try this one I said I was going to use. So let's see. There we go. Let's get some movement to it. I love this down here. This looks good. I think I like that, so I don't want to change it. I'm gonna just come back up through here. Like a spooky tree almost, I don't know. Looks pretty cool though right through here. I like it. I'm gonna kind of sit on it, but it looks really cool. And I may add a few more branches, but I'm not sure. I think I kind of like it the way it is. And I'll be back to show you guys the dried result. Thanks for being here with me. Talk to you soon. Bye.